Hey, Watson, do you understand when I'm talking to you? You do? Okay, so I gave you a chewy. I gave Kiko a chewy. You ate Kiko's chewy. So what do we say when we steal someone else's chewy? What do we say? Do you know? Yes, we say we're sorry. We say we're sorry. You're a good boy, Watson. You're a good boy, Kiko.